Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for the block puzzle on Android. So for this video, I'm gonna show you the animation. Um, yes, a little animation. Alright, so for go back to the game and see when I move in the shaper on the into the board, and if yes, in the original game you see the if the shaper um, is impossible to put on the board, the shaper will come back to the previous. Yes, so for this tutorial, for this video, I will show you how to do that. Alright, so let's go back to the game word class and create a method update with the delta time. Delta time is just a time for every frame. We get the time for correctly the animation. Right, so go to the game safety view, and for the game thread here, I will put another that is the game world. Create a game world variable for the class and set the game world by the parameter. Right, and here I will create a new variable for the previous update. Right, go system, nano time, and before I draw, I will call the game word update with the system nano time and minus the previous update. And for every frame, I will set the not here. After update, I will set the previous update equal system nano time. Alright, and let's go back to the game safety view and put the game board here into the game thread. Alright, so let's go back to the game work and write the content of the update method. So for the content, because I use the long delta time for by the nano time, so I need to change it to the millisecond. Long delta time millis equal delta time divided by 1 million. Alright, and I will set the speed right, the shaper come back speed and go 10 pixel per millisecond. Alright, that's good. And then I will set the shaper, movie shaper, and set the Y set Y by movie shaper get Y and plot the delta time multiple with the shaper speed, shaper comeback speed. And here I will change it to the integer. So here I need to set the delta time millisecond here. Right, and here I will check if the movie shape get y less than the less than the alright, I will define the footer base shaper pay baseline của okay. And for here, for the first shaper y, I will set the divide haze multiple with the shaper baseline. So changes something a, and for here, if less than the baseline multiple with hey. Alright, and for S here is also if the game stay. Alright, so before that I need to define something the stay idle. So if you have been seen my you have seen my tutorial, you can understand the game stay. It's very easy to understand. So, right here for the stay come back shaper come back, and for the stay alright. Okay, just choose stay and define a variable that save the stay. The in stay equal the idle stay, and for the update, if the okay, if the stay no I will use the switch case stay in case stay shape come back. I will do this. Else I will set the stay again to the idle stay, and for the on touch here. I will check if the stay not the idle stay. I will return so that I prevent some action from the touch. If the stay is not the stay idle. Alright, and for the action up here, when I check to put the shaper after that. Alright, so to put shaper here. Alright, so I will return here for the boolean. If the result equal no, here I will return false, and if the result not no, I will return true. Alright, I go back to the game work, and if I will set the stay equal the stay shaper come back, and else, and go to the stay here. When I set to the stay idle, I will also set the movement saver equal no. Alright, so that might be good. So let's run it to see the result. I wanna notice again that the code here is a little different with the original. So if you don't want to see the tutorial, you can go back to the previous video and see something I told to you before, so you can understand something for in the original. Right, so right, I need to go to open again. Wow. Oh, something wrong here. Alright. Okay, something wrong. Stay, come back. Alright, I'm sorry. I need to set it. Right, so let's run it again. Alright, moving the shaper. Oh, what's wrong? So I need to check the movie shape here. If it not no, right? Let's run it again. Okay. Alright, I need to check the movie shaper in the board again. For here, if the shaper equal no, I will return false. Here, I'm sorry, return no. And then go to game board here, because I said the speed is too fast, too bigger, so I need to change it to the maybe to 2 and go back to the update state here. And before I set the state, I will set the movie shaper, set the y equal the baseline with device height, and cap to the integer. Alright, run it again. Okay, so you can see it. I just made the animation for comeback. I just missing the S, but I will do it in the next video. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.